Sells Cars here in Tucson, Arizona, and I'm going to be showing you this beautiful 2022 Suburban. It's a Duramax 3-liter turbo diesel. Here we have our beautiful 22 Suburban 4-wheel drive Premier in Summit White with the maple and jet black interior. Look at those black rims, black roof rack rails, keyless entry. Ooh, look at all this chrome. Ooh, girl. Here I am using keyless entry. Is it fall? Because I'm falling for those maple seats. Ooh, and that screen. Check out those heated bucket seats, and you can even put these seats in the back down from the front and the cargo area. Heated seats, cooling seats, you'll never feel like Goldilocks. You also have a nice big screen there. You can check out your trailering settings or view your Google Maps. Look at that dash. Wireless charger, 3 ports, and even some in your cargo box as well. You have memory settings, and look at those Bose speakers. Smooth sound. You can see here there's 2 different handles that you can pull to move these seats around, so that way the third row can get in and out easier. The third row also has its own charging ports on both sides, and the second row also has their own charging ports as well as their own air conditioning. Look at those buttons, you just press them however far you want to go, you stop it, and then bring it right back up, baby. There's even a little extra space right there that you didn't even know about, and your spare tires under it. You even can press a button to open and close the tailgate. So easy, and bam, there's the opening and closing window. Perfect for long objects. Thank you so very much for stopping by and viewing that beautiful Suburban with me today. If you would like to drive your very own Suburban right out the lot, you can follow me on Facebook or Instagram at Alyssa Sells Cars, or you can just give me a call or text at 520-576-4423. And you can be riding out of my lot with a Batmobile. Just kidding. Or am I?